I started Amazon FBA 2 years ago, and here's the breakdown of everything that's happened. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with an awesome, motivating video for any of you guys looking to break out of that traditional 9-to-5 and pave your own future, lasting legacy, jumping into entrepreneurship, firing your boss and becoming your own boss. And I think the best way I think I can break this down to you guys is just by sharing my own story and how I got started with my main source of income right now, Amazon FBA. So, like I said, guys, April 26th, 2017 was the day I bought my first Amazon course, and that's where I'm marking the time that I actually started beginning my Amazon journey. So 2 years today. Let me tell you how I got started with this, guys. So I was a server in a restaurant. For those of you guys who've already been subscribed to the channel, you may already know this story, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because I have almost 300 videos breaking all this stuff down for you guys. How to sell on Amazon, all the tips and tricks, and ranking your products at the first page. I've just done everything that I can to bring this great content to you, so please do subscribe. But this is what I did, guys. I was literally a server in a restaurant after graduating college, deciding whether I wanted to go on that career path or kind of just take a year off and see where life was going to take me. So I got this cool serving job. It was all great, and unfortunately, I broke my leg skateboarding. If you guys know my backstory, I broke my leg right here. As a matter of fact, right in this bowl, right down there, I broke my leg and was out of my server job for 2 months. That's all it took me. I took an Amazon course, laid in my bed, and learned how to sell on Amazon. I came across a bunch of different things on YouTube when I was scrolling around. I came across Ty Lopez, his social media marketing agency, where you basically go help out small businesses to build up their social media presence and basically attract clients for them. So I did this, and for a little bit, I was actually helping a hairstylist who just did my hair for free now because I built her Instagram to over 3,000 people. I'm still helping her out, and she's gotten so many clients. She's just blown up. She didn't even have a Facebook before this, but I was realizing after that, I was like, hey, what can I actually do to build my own brand and business? So then I found Amazon FBA, still with this broken leg, laying in bed. I took my first course, guys. Tanner J. Fox, Amazon Seller Mastery, just 33 videos of his super easy breakdown of how to sell on Amazon. I just wanted to put that monetary investment down on the table. I had already studied like probably hundreds of hours of YouTube content, but I wanted that step-by-step layout and someone I could actually talk to. Right now, Tanner has over 3,000 students, so he's not really able to get that one-on-one mentorship like he was back in the day. So anyways, I started this course. I was really excited to get everything going. And Amazon, I knew in the beginning, was a very structured, kind of like a scientific method way of doing business, guys, because you research your products, you find what's selling well, then you source it from China, ship it into Amazon, and then Amazon, it's able to scale your business because they're shipping it out to customers all the time for you. I was like, heck yes, I can sit at home and do this even if I had a broken leg. So sooner or later, I got my first product. These were neodymium magnets, really strong magnets, and I wasn't really familiar with the fact that I need to bundle different products to kind of stand out and differentiate myself. So I went through about 3 products before I actually hit my 4th one, which was basically the Grand Slam product, which I'm selling now and building a whole brand around that's generating me over $10,000 a month in profit. I'm doing about $30,000 a month in sales, and I have a brand new product coming in that's going to do $100 profit per sale it makes, and this is scheduled to do like 200 something sales a month. So that could be 20 grand just in that one product alone in profit. And this is basically what I've been doing for the past 2 years, guys. This is what I've grown to, and I felt that in the beginning it would be really wise for me to make YouTube videos. And that's kind of the cool part about this, is that I've almost made 300 videos to this day, and every video that I make, and this is why I encourage people, if they start a big journey like this, to actually put content out there, because you reiterate to yourself what you've learned, and then you put it out in a video and you just kind of relearn it yourself. You're answering other questions for people who are asking you things, and it's a win-win-win for you, your business, and everyone else watching. So that's what I started to do. You can look at my first video. I literally show I have a broken leg down there in the video, and I'm sitting on my porch. This is the review of the course I took. And that was basically how I got started, guys. So where I'm at now, have over 3,000 subscribers, and a lot have been, it's almost like a snowball effect that subscribers are really starting to hit here now after, the 2,500 subscriber mark on YouTube. They're really starting to pour in, and I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for being subscribed to this journey. I get so many, success stories of people sharing, hey, I use this method in your videos and it's worked for me, and it just basically makes me so much more happy to see that you guys are learning from me and actually implementing and getting success. And another little side note is that last year, I made my first Amazon Seller Pro course. Now, this is a course that takes people through 65 videos, super step-by-step of everything they need to do. And another huge milestone that I just passed like 2 days ago is that I just hit my 100th student in that course. We kind of did a little celebration there in the Facebook group. I just shouted it out, and I was like, you guys, I cannot believe all this is happening. And I have success stories from people all over the world. This one girl, Alejandra, is doing about 30 sales a day at $10 profit. That's like $300 a day pretty much that she's able to make passively selling on Amazon. And that's just what it's getting to right now. So things are starting to really grow. I'm still building out my product brand on Amazon, and I'm wondering, once it gets to the point where, it's doing 20, 30, 40 grand a month in profit, maybe I want to sell that brand off for, $1 million or so and then start a new brand, start all over again. Because once you learn this stuff, you can re-implement it in different categories on Amazon, the pet market, the beauty market, baby products, all these brands. Once you get good at it, you can build it up. And that's pretty much where we're at today at this point, guys. 2 years later, it's still very early in this game for me, but I think that the learning curve happened a lot faster for me because I specifically put out videos talking about the content and day-to-day what I've been doing, my updates, my first shipments into Amazon, how I went about that door-to-door DHL air shipping, getting it in real fast, mitigating some of the pitfalls for other people along the way too. So, and I just wanted to leave you with that bit of motivation to say, if you guys want to get started with this, all you need to do is sit down, watch a bunch of FBA content on YouTube and see if this is the type of business model you want to do. And if it is, definitely just get yourself an Amazon course, one where that you can actually invest and have someone who's going to be teaching you one-on-one, which I'm still offering. Even though I have 100 students, many have already built successful businesses and they can just work it on their own. I don't even need to help them anymore, basically. So the new people, I'm still able to get on that coaching call, that Skype call, and pretty much help you guys out, even find products. I found so many products during my journey that I don't even have time for because I have my own brand running. And another little note on the course is that I'm making so much money in my Amazon business, $500 to $1,000 just about a day, that I've actually had to up the mentorship. So it used to be 3 months mentorship you got for $500, and then it slowly dwindled down, and it's gonna start increasing in price. So what I did now is I have a 6-month mentorship option for $1,000, and that's, really, really worth it. I mean, I've been called an Amazon therapist because people run into sticky situations, and I'm coming in here as a straight up calming them down therapist style, like helping people out, getting them on track. And just like Alejandra, she called me that therapist and she was like, Luke, I cannot believe this. She's written huge reviews of me on my Facebook group and everything. But if you guys are interested in this, go check it out, because now my personal mentorship is on a monthly basis, about $250 per month. That's going to be a reoccurring thing if you guys want that mentorship. So I'm going to be taking even down that $1,000 6-month mentorship option here very soon. I'm leaving it up for just a little bit longer. I just had Jeff purchase the course today. Shout out to you, man. And Alejandro, yesterday you purchased the 6-month mentorship. So thank you guys. The course is still $500, but then you can add on that mentorship package each month after I cancel this $1,000 option, which is essentially giving you 3 months free. Because if you think about the $500 course on its own, and then you add $250 times 3, that's already, you know, over $1,000. So you're getting your money's worth if you go with the $1,000 option, and you're going to put that skin in the game, guys. You got to hit this thing hard and know that you're going to make this money back. I mean, there's no business that's going to come easy, but if you have someone that's going to sit down with you, literally help you find products, which I'm going to be able to do outside of my course, I have you watch through it. And that's what I'm bringing to you guys. 2 years into this, and I'm already setting myself so free. My future plans are actually to move out of my house here, but just travel the world and then figure out where I want to live. I'm still living at home. I'm stacking my money. I'm still acting like I'm broke, guys. This is what all these big guys talk about. Grant Cardone, Gary Vee. You know, even if you start having big success, you know, act like you're broke until you really, really can stay afloat and help many other people on top. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to stack the cheese, stack the paper, and then I'm going to go travel the world, see where I want to live, document it, bring it all to you guys, and just keep the motivation flowing. Then I'm going to go settle down wherever I want to live and just live my life. You know, bringing videos to you guys is one of my favorite things. I've been able to interact with people from Canada, Toronto, just all around the world, even Europe. And I mean, people have flown me out to California and Florida to go to events and to personally help them with Amazon, guys. This is what you guys can do too if you just learn this high ticket skill, which is selling on Amazon, which is going to be plentiful for so many years to come. E-commerce, guys, it's not going anywhere. So if you learn this, I've even been offered $1.1 million to go help a agency basically sell big brand products on Amazon. These big brands that are selling in Costco, REI, Walmart, all over the place, they don't know how to list their products and optimize them on Amazon. So when you have that skill, you can then go help big businesses list their products on Amazon. And people are really, they hit me up on LinkedIn and was like, hey, Luke, I mean, I posted a whole video about it if you want to check it out on my YouTube channel. But thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want this one to drag on too long, but that's what I'm talking about, guys. Get the motivation flowing, hit it up, watch the content. If you think Amazon FBA is for you, put your skin in the game, get a course, guys. I'm not going to lie. You can go through so many videos. You're going to not have a guy to talk to if you run into those problems. You might be able to find videos, but you know, it's all going to be jumbled around, and there's a lot of pitfalls that come with Amazon. That's why it's not like selling on eBay or anything else, guys. It's very strategic the way you got to place your things. And if you want to get a product and rank it to the first page, there's simple things that I can do to teach you, some little behind the scenes tricks. You're on the first page. We bundle and differentiate your product. You stand out amongst competitors, and then you have literally, I mean, I think over 60% of US households have an Amazon Prime membership. So you're getting hundreds of millions of people at your doorstep, free traffic. That's why I like this more than the Shopify business model, because you have the free traffic right there for you. Guys, this is what you can do. Build the brand on Amazon, then go scale up those existing customers that you've made on Amazon and take them to your own website later. Build a huge asset. I talk about building Instagrams and so many other things. I had a student build his brand starting from Instagram. He launched there. Jesus, we're going to have him on the channel if you're watching this. That's what's up, man. Drop a like on this if you're here, Jesus. And everyone else watching this thing, please drop a thumbs up, because YouTube's like on the shadow ban craze right now, just not even promoting videos. I don't know what the deal is. They take some of my videos and just blast them out and get over 20,000 views. And then the other ones, they're like, you know, we'll just keep them at, 300 views. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I'm going to be bringing a lot more content soon for you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.